Hello, this is Mark Gellman, Coldwell Banker Premier of the Gellman team in St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you very much for watching our video blog. Today we'll discuss, now that school is back in session, what is happening to the real estate market. Hello, this is Mark Gellman, Coldwell Banker Premier of the Gellman team, St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you very much for watching our series of video blogs. Today we'll be discussing, now that school is back in session, what is happening with the real estate market. Before we get into the video, I want to draw your attention to two valuable links on our blog. The first one is a home valuation. In order to get an actual detailed valuation, we'd love to hear from you, but as I mentioned, for reference purposes, the generic home valuation is a great place to start. The other link I'd like to draw your attention to is the home search. This is where you can search for the over 20,000 homes available in the MLS. So now that school is back in session, a lot of our clients, a lot of prospective sellers are asking, what are our thoughts on the real estate market? We're actually seeing an interesting dynamic this year in that the school market really didn't have an impact that it traditionally does, meaning there were not as many closings in August as there have been the last 3 years. And when we discuss August closings, we're really talking about under contract homes in the July. With that being said, we saw in the first quarter of 2015, we saw a definite seller's market. There was a weakness in inventory. Buyers were searching, were finding homes, getting caught up in multiple bid scenarios where homes were selling over asking. That calmed down a little bit as we entered into April and May time period. Although it was still a seller's market, it was becoming more of a balanced market, meaning that equal opportunities for buyers and sellers. As the summer went on, we saw motivated sellers who wanted to be in new schools by the start of school, whether it's in new cities or within the same city or other states. And so those sellers were in many cases very motivated. They were selling their home in some cases at discounts. So again, we were then seeing it shift to somewhat of a buyer's market. Now, when we get into September, October, we're actually seeing the market pick up. We're seeing some competition go off the market, some sellers who are just going to be content staying in the St. Louis market in their current home, not being able to get the prices that they wanted. So what we're seeing is less inventory. So for sellers, there's less competition, which can be very positive. But for buyers, we're seeing motivated sellers. So buyers are actually, in many cases right now, buying very opportunistically. So the market absolutely has not slowed down. It's actually a little different in that it's picked up. We're seeing September closings as very strong. Traditionally, September has been a little softer than October. October is trending to be an extremely strong month. And as we get into the fourth quarter, we're actually projecting that it will really flip to a buyer's market. Good news for buyers, not so great news for sellers. Again, sellers, get your home on the market. The thing, if you're a seller, that you can hope for is that homes continue to go off the market, less competition, and that those prices may increase. What we've had significant success at the Gellman team is in December, when a lot of sellers take their homes off the market, Gellman team listings stay on the market. In many cases, they're still on the market in January, but those are all selling before the spring market. So our recommendation is, if you're committed to sell, want to sell, prepare your home to the highest level, market it to the highest level, price it right, obviously hire the right agent, and we feel like those homes will sell and you'll be able to move on. If you have any questions about the real estate market, about buying, home valuations on the sell side, don't hesitate to call, email, or text. We appreciate you watching our video blog. Do not hesitate. If you have any questions, you can send us an email that we can address in future videos. So again, we're very excited that you are watching this, and we're very excited about the fourth quarter real estate market, third quarter real estate market. Thank you very much.